This video will cover motor protection time current characteristic curve. So this is something related to the plotting the motor characteristic curve in TCC curve. In ETAP model, it is in star protection. In the curve we will see what is the motor characteristic behavior, that thermal behavior, cold and hot start, the motor starting voltages, motor starting currents at 80%, 100% and 110% voltage, and how to set the relay. I will cover that part in separate video, but here is the basic how you need to proceed before setting the relay. You need to follow. So let's go to this motor. Here this is 160 kilowatt motor, 415 volt, that means LV motor. These are nameplate parameters. Here this is important, these are the locked rotor data, which is starting parameters as well. So this is 600% of LRC, 600% of motor full load current, which means the 6 times of motor full load current, which is coming 1569. How it is coming? The motor full load current 261.5 ampere, 261.5 multiplied by 6, it is coming locked rotor current, which is 1569 amps. And this is starting power factor 23.88. the starting power factor is the X by R value, and here is the torque values. This is locked rotor starting torque, 35% starting torque, and this is maximum torque, or you can tell it breakdown torque, which is 210%. So these are the nameplate parameters, nameplate data, and the motor starting and torque, those details. To see the motor behavior, the protection related settings, I am not talking about relay setting. I will cover in separate video, as I already told you. So let's go to the protection tab here. Okay, in the TCC curve we are going to plot such type of curve. Here this is the sample. So let's understand first what is the starting curve. Here at motor terminal voltage at 100%, motor terminal voltage, what will be the motor acceleration time we need to specify. Suppose 6 seconds. From the motor manufacturer data you can get this value. At 80% motor terminal voltage, definitely this time will be more than the 100% voltage, say 8 seconds. And for 110% voltage it is less, suppose it is 5 seconds. So these 3 parameters I have assigned. For the relay setting purposes, you need to specify at least for 80% motor terminal voltage what is the starting time, and 80% motor terminal voltage what is the starting time. At least these two parameters are required, and additionally I have put this 110% voltage motor starting time. Okay, let's move forward. Here hot start thermal limit curve. This is thermal limit curve. We need to specify here the safe stall time in second. This is the hot withstand time, motor hot withstand time, how many seconds motor can withstand this hot withstand time. Suppose this is 15, not 15, 12, and cold withstand time, this will be more than the hot. Suppose this is 15 second, this is 15 second. So we have assigned this starting current, this starting time as well as the thermal withstand time of the motor. And what is this asymmetrical factor? This is the asymmetrical factor. This is here, you can see in the curve. I will explain in the TCC curve in detail. This is, if it is symmetrical, then it will be straight line. If it is asymmetrical, because of the motor starting current nature, this is not purely the sinusoidal curve which is drawing the 6 times full load current. This is not sinusoidal curve. That means there is the asymmetrical factor, and this is by default 1.6. You can change also this asymmetrical factor. By default it is, ETAP will take 1.6. So because of this asymmetrical factor, this curve shape will be like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, now let's plot in the TCC curve. Let's go to the star mode, and I have selected this motor, and here create the star view. Yeah, this is motor 100%. At 100% motor terminal voltage, this is the curve. This is 100, this is 110%. At motor terminal voltage 110%, and this is 80%. At motor terminal voltage 80%. So this is the this is motor cold withstand curve, and here is the motor hot withstand curve. So you need to set the relay protective device here in between this thermal withstand curve and this starting curve. In between these two, the relay protection curve will come. So I will cover in a separate video for the motor protection relay setting, how to do that motor protection relay setting and coordination. But before that, these are the basic related to motor you need to perform.